Hey, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid from Market Hunters, and today I'm going to start the basic learning session in which you guys will be able to understand what is technical analysis and how you are able to start doing it. Okay. So first thing you need is TradingView account. You just need to go to tradingview.com and go to sign up option and make an account there. It's free. If you don't have an account, if you already have account, that's good. Just go to your chart option and click on it. You will see the chart of Atom USDT right now open. If you want to search for another coin, just click on the top left side and select the coin symbol. For example, I want to search for LTC. Click on LTC USDT, and here you are, LTC USDT pair. So select it. So here is your chart of the LTC USDT, right? Here you will be able to do technical analysis of LTC USDT, right? So the next thing I want to tell that what is important for doing analysis. So it is toolbars. Okay. So in the left side, you can see there's a toolbar option. There are many tools for it to do technical analysis. For example, you have trend line. Click on it. If you are going to just click on it, there will be trend lines, arrows, info lines, horizontal lines, parallel channels. I will do another video for it, so you will be able to understand what are the use case of these things. There are Fibonacci levels and all these things, right? Anyway, let's move for another thing which is important for you to do technical analysis, and its time frame. If you click on this time interval option, just click on it, and here you can see that I already started some time frames where I'm able to do technical analysis of different coins. So for you, if you want to do technical analysis for some long-term coins, if you are holding like for some days, for weeks or months, just go for 4 hours daily or weekly, or you can check the price action in monthly too for your confirmation. But the mainly I'm just checking is 4 hours daily and weekly. If you want to do daily scalping or just short-term trading, so you can select 4 hours, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 15 minutes. It's up to you. It's totally your choice. Another option I want to tell you is that there's a right top side option, which is watch list and details. Just click on it, and here you will be able to see that I already added some pairs there where I'm able to check them very quickly. If I want to check about BTC dominance, I will just immediately click on it, and I have BTC dominance option there. So if you want to add coins in your watch list where you can quickly access them, just click on this add button, and here you are able to add the symbol or your coin in which you want to add. For example, I want to add let's say LTC BTC here. So you just click on it and add LTC BTC. When you are going to click on plus button, here you will be able to see that there is a watch list added for you. Okay, right? And then click on it and you are able to access it easily. And the last thing I want to tell about TradingView is that if you want to use indicators, just click on this indicator option at your top and search for indicator. For example, I want to use MACD, search for MACD, and here is the MACD option, right? There are so many MACDs so you can use anyone. I just using this one. This is MACD custom indicator. Just click on it, and here you will be able to see that this is the MACD right there at your bottom, right? And the last thing but not least, I want to tell you that if you are living in India or Pakistan, wherever you want, we are living right now, you can select the time zone as per your choice. I'm just living in Pakistan, so I'm choosing UTC +5. So you click on it and you can select the time zone accordingly. Okay, so this is for now, guys, and I will try my best to provide the next video for you where you will be able to stand some basic trading view things, and you will be able to understand that how you are able to do the technical analysis of the coins. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.